my name is Rahul. I am going to show you how to transfer a large file over TCP socket using Objective-C. I am going to use a code from my previous video uploaded on YouTube. Over here, TCP socket data transfer without single byte loss using Objective-C. Okay. Now I created a playlist also out of this 1 hour 22 minute video, that is here, Objective-C TCP socket. It consists of 11 videos, so it is easy for you to go through the entire playlist and then you can continue with this tutorial. Now I am going to show you a logic via a data flow diagram. Here it is. In this diagram, client sends a file name to server. Server create the file and also create a NS file handle object and send the initial file pointer to client. Client use same file pointer sent by the server to read the file and send the read bytes to server. Same way, server will keep sending file pointer until file pointer is equal to file length. Okay, server will keep sending file pointers until client detects file pointer is equal to file length, and then client will send TCP close message to server. Then server close the socket. Okay, now we are going to update code using this logic. Open XCode. Okay, open project TCP data transfer. Now we are going to update main storyboard. Select GUI handler.m and change view, this one. Okay, now select main storyboard. Okay, delete these two text fields and labels. Okay, position it here. Okay, now select NS progress bar, progress indicator. Okay, now right click and drag its reference over here, pb_upload, connect. Okay, remove these two text field reference over here. Okay, save it. Now we are going to update server thread and client thread implementations and header files. First, server thread. Okay, remove this reference over here and also from here. Go to implementation, remove this. Okay, remove this too. Okay, now save it. Go to client thread header file. Okay, change it to progress, NS progress. Indicator. Okay, and remove this. Okay, now go to implementation, switch over here. Okay, under implementation, go to initialize native, remove this and remove this. Okay, now go to GUI handler implementation. Okay, remove argument text field. Okay, and comment it out over here. Send data to servers, comment it out. Okay, save it. Now remove the text field reference from TCP handler functions. Go to server thread implementation. Okay, remove the text field reference from here. Okay, and then go to client thread implementation. Okay, comment out this. Now we are going to update send TCP data packet function in client thread implementation. Okay, over here. Okay, first we update client thread header file. Go to here. Okay, send TCP data packet. We are going to add two more parameters in this function. First parameter is constant character pointer is command cmd space data to send, label data to send with data type constant character pointer data, and one more parameter, that is data underscore length is to data type, that is long. Okay, now target data length. Okay, now copy this, go to implementation file and replace the arguments over here. Now we are going to remove this, as we are sending binary files, so our data is no longer a string. Okay, we can count string length using strlen, but we cannot count pointer to the memory. Okay, so we need to remove this. Okay, and pass the length over here. Target data length, copy over here, paste. Okay, then paste here. Okay, we forget the change the format LD, then change the format LD. Okay, now delete this. Okay, recalculate packet length, initialize character 1 plus command length strlen command plus data length character count element count plus separator plus data target data length. Okay, now I am going to add command in the packet. Okay, memory copy and packet bracket 0 plus 1. Okay, that is command strlen of command. Okay, now remove this. Okay, 0 plus 1 plus strlen of command Okay, remove this, copy here, paste element count, okay, copy this, paste here, plus, okay, okay, or packet updated, okay, converted it to long, remove this, okay, save it. Now we are going to update read data function. Go to client thread header, add a parameter of type integer pointer, okay, it's a output parameter, okay, receive data length, okay, copy this, go to read data function, paste here, okay. This function will return the received data length as it is required by NS file handle while writing data to the file, okay. We need this data, copy, go to here, pointer, this is equal to data length, okay. Read data function is updated. Now we are going to update TCP client callback handler, this function. It is handling all event generated by CF socket, okay. Now go to here, create a character buffer, char command bracket 3, okay, copy this, okay, paste here, command of length 3. Now convert the character into integer, scanf, okay, target is command character, format is %d, comma, declare a integer int I command, that is I command, okay. Now we need to pass a integer variable to get the data length as we updated, so it's showing error also, that is, okay, create a integer variable int receive, I receive data length, copy it, paste over here, need to paste the address, okay, address pointer. Now, okay, remove error, this, pass a pointer over here, okay. Now create a switch I command, okay, command is 1 2 3, okay. Now save it. Now we are going to update GUI handler implementation, okay. Over here we are going to send file to server. We are going to use NS open panel we are going to use dispatch asynchronous, dispatch underscore asynchronous, okay, dispatch underscore get mean queue. Now define the block, okay, colon ns open panel pointer open dialog is equal to ns open panel, okay. Now open dialog with square bracket, set can choose file, that is true, okay. Now open dialog, begin with completion handler, okay. Now if result is equal to ns file handling panel, okay button, okay. Now obj client thread. Now we need to define a file handle object in client thread header. Over here ns file handle pointer r read file rf, okay. We need to define a file pointer, long file pointer, okay. Now long file length, okay. Now close it. File handler is equal to ns file handle for read at path, okay. Now open dialog URL, okay, another square bracket, okay, that is. Now we need to return a string path, that is a string, okay. Here it is, obj. Now file length, we need a file length of the selected file, okay, that is obj client thread rf seek to end of file, okay. Save it in the file length. Now we need to store file name, as we have the path but we need the file name, so nss string, okay, pointer data is equal to open dialog, okay, URL, okay, bracket path bracket. Now we are get the last component of the path, last component, okay. So this, okay. Now we are going to send the file name that is stored in the data to server, obj thread, okay, send, okay, send TCP data packet. First we need to send the command, okay, @ double quotes 1 2 3, okay, UTF-8. This command will read the data and create file and prepare it to write data received from the client. Now pass the data as a character pointer. Okay, data UTF-8 string. Okay, now pass the string data length. Okay, that's it. Now go to client thread implementation and update switch for command 123. Okay, create NS file manager object okay is equal to initialize it with default manager NS file manager default manager. Okay, now file manager create file at path. Now path is NS string. Okay, string with format is double quote, that is /users /rahulsnet /documents %s. Okay, now comma, we need to pass receive data. This copy over here and paste here. Okay, content is nil and attribute is nil. Now we are going to obtain a file handle of the same file that we created. Okay, now we are going to use object client pointer rf is equal to ns file handle. Okay, file handle for read path. Okay, same path, copy this over here. Okay, close it. Now we are going to set file pointer to 0 at server side. This is server side. Server received the file name, created the file name using this, then obtained a file handle pointer. Okay, now we are going to set the file pointer, object pointer, then file pointer variable, we set it to 0. Okay, now we convert the file pointer to character pointer and send it to client. Okay, first we convert it to character pointer over here, copy this, paste here. Okay, now copy this, paste here and paste here. Okay, now send it to client, obj pointer, send packet, double quote, command is 124, convert it into character pointer UTF-8 string. Okay, now data to send, data length character, str length, data length character. Okay, we send the file pointer in text format to client. Okay, at case 124. Okay, now case 124, that is client side. Okay, break. Okay, now we convert receive file pointer from character array to long using scanf at client side. Scanf receive data format is %ld comma pass file pointer address obj this the file pointer. Okay, now check if file pointer received file pointer is equal to file length or not. If obj client pointer file pointer is not equal to obj file pointer this file length. Okay, else. Okay, send if file pointer is not equal, received file pointer is not equal to the file length, then read the file, or else send close instruction. First close instruction obj file pointer send TCP data packet with command @126. Okay, convert it into character pointer UTF-8 string. Data to send is @close UTF string. Okay, now the length is 5 as you are sending 5 characters, so I declare it like this. Now okay, now close the file handle over here obj this file handle rf close file. Okay, now obj file pointer that rf is equal to nil. Okay, now we are going to update the code if file pointer not equal to file length. Okay, then we search the file pointer position and read from there object this rf seek. Okay, obj client pointer obj file pointer. Okay, now we are going to read the file obj rf read data of length. Okay, now we are going to calculate a length int chunk size is equal to obj file length minus obj client pointer file pointer. Okay, less than 20,000 and question mark. Copy this. paste here, else 20,000. Okay, convert it to long. Okay, now pass this chunk size over here and close this. Now we are going to pass the red data to server. Okay, how? First we going to create packet obj client pointer, then send data packet command @125. Okay, convert it into character array pointer UTF-8 string data to send. Now cut this before paste square brackets, paste here. Okay, return bytes. Okay, now the length is chunk size. Okay, that's where we send the data. Now add a case 125. Okay, now set file pointer position at our requested file pointer. Okay, obj client pointer rf seek offset file offset. Okay, obj file pointer. Okay, now write data obj rf. Okay, write data, receive data. We need to convert it to ns data. Okay, data with bytes, that is receive data of length that we saved in this. I received data length. Okay, copy, paste here. Okay, semicolon. Now we are going to update file pointer at server side. Okay, obj file pointer is equal to obj this rf. Okay, offset in file. Okay, now we are going to send that file pointer to client. Copy this. From command 123 to paste here. Then free data length character. Okay, now add a case 126 to handle closed instruction from the client. Case 126 break. Okay, obj this rf close file. Okay, obj client pointer rf is equal to nil. Okay, now handle this error greater than. Okay, file save. Now go to GUI handler implementation and pass progress bar object. Okay, obj is equal to upload. Okay, now go to client thread implementation and update progress bar value obj client pointer tx receive set double value. Okay, now obj file pointer plus chunk size, okay, divide by obj this file length. Okay, put it into bracket, multiply by 100. Okay, convert it into doubles, double, and this is double. Okay, now colon obj that tx receive set needs display to yes. Okay, now we did an error. File handle for read, instead of this we need to write at path. Now set socket option to handle read event, which is till this time only handle connect. Okay, here it is, KCF socket connect callback. Also add a or KCF socket read callback. Okay, now it also read. We added a read and create packet in both client and server, so we need to add KCF socket read callback in client side too. Okay, then run it. Okay, succeed. Open the finder. Okay, we are going to transfer file and it will store in documents over here. Start server, connect to server. Okay, it connected. Send data, it will open a file. We are going to transfer this, open. Okay, now we are going to open it. Okay, damage, move to trash. Okay, we need to see the code. Stop it. Quite. Okay. Okay, we find the error. Here it is. Okay. Okay, we are not sending the string, we are sending the binary data. So we need to copy this, pass here. Okay, now run it. Okay, start server, connect to server, send data. Okay, open. Okay, here it is, it transferred. Okay, now we are going to send another file. Send data, Hackintosh logo, open. Here it is, it transferred. Okay, we are going to send another data. Okay, XCode logo png, open, it transferred. Okay, open it, here it is. Okay, open it, here it is. Open another. Okay, all the files are transferred successfully. Our code is working. If you like this video, please subscribe and share, and please like and subscribe too. Thank you.